Hey guys, number 3. Oh, some books. What we got here? I'm listening. Bit of art. Oh yeah, we saw them the other day, didn't we? They guys are out scrapping. We don't do scrap. Another Christmas tree. We don't need any more of them just now, do we? And the Scooby's down the pile over here. I'll put you around there. See that old couple out doing it? That's cool, isn't it? Well, they like in their 60s? 70s maybe? Thought that was pretty cool. Oh yeah, what we got here? Oh yeah, it's a full badminton set. Scooby likes badminton. He used to play for Bangladesh back when he was a kid. Was it Bangladesh? Yeah. He never played for Bangladesh. Bangladesh. There's a music stand. Oh, a guitar stand. We'll take the guitar stand. Yeah, that works. That's some weights there. What's that 5 kilo? Come on.
5 kilos.
That's like, I weigh about that much more than you. Actually, I weigh that and a bit more than you. That's a lot. I'm fat. It's not good. There's a pink one in there too, another step too. Yeah, why not? Don't take any room up. They're just chum, what we call chum. It's a Yankee American analogy of, you know, small bits and pieces to, I don't know what the hell we're doing. That sort of thing, really. Oh, that's upside down. That's good. Where's your cutters? On the floor. There's like a little niche area around here. It's only 3 minutes. Step it on first. It's that trying to try and look for the hole in the dark. Oh, my sunny's on. Oh, I can't reach him. Too far, too far. I got him. I like these little no-through areas, little no-through roads.
That's broken, is it?
The pots.
Yeah, the terracotta one. I think it's broken. That's a bit cooler, isn't it?
I wonder if there's anything in there on lamb.
Yeah, it's broken. But the paper.
Well, you do them. I'm going to go look at these boxes up top. Oh, it's getting warm. Look at that sky. Beautiful blue day. Looks like good barbie. I wonder if it's been raided yet. Let's see. I see. No. Still mostly all there. All these empty. They're all empty. Somebody's chopped the cord on the fan. Rubbish. What are these? Little pot things. Scoobs, do you need one of these, mate? Scooby's toilet's broken. Well, it's not his, it's X's actually. Like a fixed toilet. He's like, I don't want to fix the toilet. You taking some plants, are you, Scoob?
Sure, got it.
Yeah, that's nice.
There's a face on there.
This one is broken, isn't it? Actually, they're great for strawberries.
This one's got a face on it.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Decent. Alright. We'll leave it going for a couple more minutes. I don't know where Scooby is. Oh, there's Scooby. Scooby's doing clinical work. Skateboard.
Damaged.
Some lights. Not a lot here. That's out of that's enough out of this little area, this little schnook. So we'll turn you off now and we'll find something else for you to look at. And for us to look at.